Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a core feature in Notion that can help declutter your workspace and keep your information organized. How to hide and unhide properties in your databases. Whether you're managing tasks, projects, or team collaboration, knowing how to quickly control what you see and what you don't can make Notion feel so much more efficient. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident about customizing your views and keeping your data streamlined. Let's jump right in. First, let's quickly talk about why would you want to hide or unhide properties in Notion? Well, properties in Notion are like columns in a spreadsheet. They hold important info like due dates, statuses, tags, or custom notes. But not every property needs to be visible all the time. For example, maybe you have some background info or archived details that aren't relevant to your daily workflow. Hiding these can help you focus on what matters right now and reduce visual clutter. On the flip side, knowing how to unhide properties means you can always bring back information when you need to see the bigger picture again. It's a bit like clearing off your desk, making room for what's important, while knowing you can always pull out what you've put away. Alright, so I've pulled up a sample database here to show you how this works step by step. Let's say you're looking at a list of tasks or projects and you notice some columns, properties, that you don't really need in view at the moment. Maybe you have a property called archived notes that's taking up space but isn't something you use every day. To hide a property, all you need to do is click on the column header for that property. So right here, I'll click on archived notes. You'll see a little drop-down appear with various options. Look out for an option that literally says hide. Go ahead and click that. And just like that, the property vanishes from your table view, leaving your workspace looking a bit cleaner and more focused. Don't worry if it looks like the data has disappeared. This just hides it from this view, but your information is perfectly safe in the background. Now, imagine a day when you do need to reference those archived notes again, or any other property you've hidden. Unhiding it is super simple, just a slightly different spot to look. Direct your attention to the very rightmost out of your database, near the top. You'll see a little button or drop-down labeled something like Show Hide Properties. If you don't see it immediately, it might be hidden behind a little menu or a small icon. Don't worry, you'll find it there. Click on this, and you'll see a full list of all the properties in your database. Some checked, some unchecked. To unhide a property, just tick the box next to the property you want visible again, like Archived Notes. Instantly, the column pops back into view with all your data intact. Here's a helpful tip. While you're in this menu, you can also hide additional properties directly from the list, instead of going one by one through the columns. It makes rearranging your workspace even faster. So if you suddenly realize there are a couple more properties you want out of sight, just untick them here. And that's really all there is to it. A few simple clicks, and you're customizing Notion to fit your workflow perfectly. Remember, don't stress if you hide something by accident or aren't sure where it went. Your information is always safe, and you can bring it back anytime. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like below and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips you want to share with other viewers. And don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tutorials and guides to help you master your productivity. See you in the next one.